So, sabi niya, ano daw yung tech stack na alam ko before nung una ako nag-apply ng trabaho. So, of course, well, yung mga natutunan ko lang sa college na I had to put on my resume. The first one is, I know how to code in PHP. So, the framework that I'm using before was Laravel. I know how to do C#, or I know how to code in C#, Java. Well, of course, in Visual Studio, because I'm using C# and then .NET 4.0 pa ito. 4.5 I already forgot. But yun yung mga nasa resume ko. Plus, I have an elective of SAP Business One. So it's an ERP, or it's an enterprise resource planning. It's a system na competitor siya ni Microsoft before, which is I'm not aware of that before. So I took SAP Business One as my elective. And so yun yung mga nakalagay sa resume ko. And also, since ako yung programmer nung time na nagtithesis kami, so I'm well versed in C# because that's what I used in my thesis. And for PHP naman, that's what I used when I took my internship. Well, I took my internship with a cybersecurity company before. Of course, kumbaga parang dahil you make the system from the ground up, so of course, you know how to code it, right? So when I got asked for my interview, I know how to answer, because that's the difference. If you know how to code and you know for yourself that you code it, so when they ask you or when the interviewer asks you, you know how to answer. So yun yung mga tech stack na alam ko. So PHP, Java, C#, in .NET 4.5 ata, 4.0, I don't know, I already forgot. And then I have SAP Business One as my elective. So that's what I put on my resume.